Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Joy. I am Joy. If this is your first time seeing or hearing of me, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be your hair care guru and I'm going to teach you how to never have a bad hair day again. Well, hopefully today we won't be having a bad hair day. So today we're going to be testing out, as you guys have seen by the thumbnail, a roller set. So I've seen roller sets coming back, especially on social media. They're all over my social media page. The one person who I've seen really do it well is going by the name Yeni Damichu. She is the roller set queen on TikTok. She's the person who inspired me to try this out today. Fingers crossed this goes well. This is not your grandma's hairstyle. They're meant to be something for black girls who have color, bleached hair, or any type of chemicals on their hair. Your hair isn't really good with silk presses after you put chemicals on them, and this is a way to minimize heat and to mimic a silk press and to get that nice 90s blowout type of look. So I'm really excited to try it. Let's get into it. I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, and I bought these rollers. These don't look like the rollers that I've seen all over TikTok, but I got this like 32-piece roller set and we're going to be trying it out. Mine have ridges on them, these ridges on them, and I don't see those with a lot of other roller sets, but we're still gonna make it do what it do. So my hair currently is cut short and into a bob style, so I'm excited to see how a roller set's gonna look on shorter hair. So starting out with clean hair, I'm going to re-dampen it a little bit because my white tea took a lot of the moisture out. So for products, I'm just gonna be using this K18 leave-in just because I do have a ton of heat damage because I really am a silk press girly. So 3 pumps is all you need. Then I'm just gonna put this on the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to spray this Argan Shine Flat Spray, and this is a heat protectant that's supposed to like enhance shine. I really love this for my silk presses. I didn't want to use a heat protectant that was too heavy. I wanted something light because the more products you put in your hair, the more you're gonna have to wait for it to dry down. So now the main attraction for products is going to be this Nairobi foam. I'm gonna use that as I put the rollers in. Right now I'm just gonna part and make sections. I'm more nervous about the back than anything. And this hairstyle has to go well. I literally am doing not bridal hair, but I'm working tomorrow. So if this doesn't go well, that's why I literally haven't put lotion on my body. So I could hop back in the shower and do a quick silk press if needed. These parts aren't gonna be perfect. I wish I had the doe's mousse. I feel like that mousse would really eat with this style. Okay guys, so this is the back. You guys have to tell me what she's looking like. I'm scared. Like, I'm honestly so scared. So we just have the front left, but we have a major freaking issue. Look how many rollers I have left. This for sure is not going to be enough because I need at least like 3 here and then probably like 4 here, and we have 6 left. So I'm going to put in as many as I can, then probably run out to the store and get more. So I'll show you guys what I've been doing in the back. The fact that I'm about to have to run out in the store and this is gonna be very much embarrassing. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking your rollers and you're going to put them on your hair, and you want to make your parting the width of this roller, and the easiest way to do that is just place the roller on your hair and part like a little bit above it. Then clip the rest of the hair out of the way. Now I'm just gonna take like that much foam, apply it to the hair, and then I'm just gonna comb it out. Then I'm just gonna take the roller, and I'm rolling going backwards, and I just run it through the hair to make sure there's no knots or any kinks, and then I run it through. Then I'm just making sure every single section is tucked in, and you want to make sure it's really taut. Then I just put the clip on and voila. So now I'm gonna just show you guys one more. I may take this thing out. One thing I did forget to mention is you want to make sure, I'm telling you guys this like I have experience, but you want to make sure your hair is at 90 degrees. That's going to give you the most amount of volume. This hurts low key. So I'm just going to keep showing you guys this whole front section, but I'm just going to speed through it. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for 2 hours and eat some dinner. So I'll catch you guys back and we're gonna unveil this tonight. You guys are gonna have to forgive me because I'm not gonna beat my face. I will probably beat my face tomorrow after I wrap it and reveal to you guys how I wrapped it and stuff. So I'll see you guys under the dryer. We're back. They're all hopefully dry. So let's take down these rollers.
Slay! Slay!
So first one. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. You guys, these came out so much better than I expected. The only thing I do have to say is I wouldn't recommend these rollers with the teeth just because I am losing a bit of hair in them. You guys can't see the hair, but yeah, I'm losing a ton of hair. Right, this one's stuck. But I'm honestly super surprised and highly impressed. Like, my hair actually feels really soft. The roots are still very puffy, but I did see that the roller set queen, aka Yanni Damatu, she actually straightened her client's roots. So that's what I'm about to do. I might do that like tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the other rollers just because these ones are snagging my hair. But you guys, my hair feels so soft. It feels so soft. It is giving a touch of grandma, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm really happy because the roller set has not embarrassed me. My hair does have, like, if you look closely, it does have that bit of texture, but it's not too bad. Okay, I'm looking a little bit like James Brown right now. I'm gonna go grab my flat iron so we can flat iron the roots. It's getting a little stiff. But you know what? For me not having straightened my hair, no, it still is giving James Brown realness, for real. I just want to run a flat iron through my hair, in all honesty, okay? That's all I really want to do. It is a tornado. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so she's wrapped down as best as she can be wrapped. We're gonna see how she looks like in the morning and I'll get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
Good morning guys. So after I wrap my hair, this is what's going on with it. I'm not going to say that the roller set is a fail. I think it's not meant to do the style that I wanted. I think you're just supposed to pull apart the curls and let it be like this big voluminous curl, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail and close out this video. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like once I took the wrap off, and it's not giving. Like, I don't even see, I have like a little bit of curl here, but I don't see any other form of curl. So I'm just gonna throw it up into a ponytail before I head to work. I just wanted to get on here and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna come back on and say bye once I have a full face and everything. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna be working with, and I'm not mad at it, okay? She looks cute. I'm really loving this bang situation. I did use these rollers for my bangs, so they are gonna come in handy for something. But guys, at the end of the day, I'm going to give this, the roller set, I really am gonna give it a 7 out of 10 stars because my ponytail is really sleek, no product in it whatsoever. It made my hair really soft. It got my hair stretched. It's obviously not gonna give me like silk press realness. It's going to give more like blowout realness, and I think it's gonna look better on someone who doesn't have truly 4C hair. If I were to do rollers again, I would blow dry it myself maybe and then put the rollers in without any product, or I would do like a silk press and then put the rollers in order for me to get that blowout bouncy look that I was going for. But going in with it raw, But even then, like, I put a flat iron on my hair, and I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's really silky. Like, it's really silky. So I feel like it's like something you want to do to prep. It doesn't really make sense too, because it feels like it would be a huge waste of time. You might as well just blow dry. But if you wanted to do it like as a prepping moment before you silk press, or if you're someone who is trying to heat train your hair, this is something that I would definitely recommend that you do. It doesn't take a lot of time to put the rollers in. The longest thing is going to be the drying process, because I sat under the dryer for about 2 hours, and I made sure that I wasn't putting the rollers in with dripping, wet, drenched hair. So you just want to make sure that you dry your hair out as much as possible. Would I try this again? 100% yes, but this time I think I would flat iron my hair and then put the rollers in and walk around with it for the day before I head over to an event or so. I definitely think it's worth it then. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys try the rollers out? Would you guys let grandmas really influence you like that? But it isn't even really giving grandma though. Anyway, I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see from me in the upcoming future. And don't forget that every day can be a good hair day. See you in my next video. Bye.